That's exactly what DJI is aiming for with its brand new Agras T55. And honestly, this isn't just another upgrade. It's a serious step toward making modern farming faster, smarter, and much easier to manage. Let's take a look at what makes this new agricultural drone so exciting. Right away, the T55 stands out with its impressive versatility. Instead of being built for only one task, it can spray crops, spread fertilizer, and even lift heavy loads, all with the same platform. For spraying, it carries a large 50-liter tank and delivers an incredible amount of liquid every minute. If even more output is needed, optional rear mist sprinklers increase the flow even further, while creating fine droplets that help chemicals reach deep inside dense crop canopies. Whether it's corn, wheat, or sugarcane, the system is designed to provide even coverage across large fields. But that's only part of the story. Need to spread fertilizer or seeds instead? Simply swap the payload system, and the drone transforms into a powerful spreading machine with an 80-liter hopper. It can handle an entire bag of fertilizer in one flight and distribute material at extremely high speed. Different screw feeder options also allow it to work with a wide variety of granular materials, from seeds and fertilizer to aquaculture feed, without complicated setup. And then comes something many farmers will appreciate. The T55 can also function as a lifting drone, carrying payloads up to 40 kilograms. Whether transporting supplies across difficult terrain or supporting farm operations where vehicles can't easily reach, this feature adds another layer of flexibility. Automatic balance control, obstacle avoidance, and emergency cable release all help make lifting operations smoother and safer. Speaking of safety, DJI has completely upgraded the sensing system. A next-generation millimeter wave radar constantly scans the environment with remarkable precision, making it much better at recognizing obstacles, including power lines, one of the biggest hazards during agricultural flights. On top of that, the new vision system watches all around the aircraft during takeoff and landing, helping detect people and vehicles while giving the pilot a much clearer understanding of what's happening around the drone. Planning a field has also become much simpler. Instead of spending lots of time creating routes manually, pilots can simply fly around the field once. The drone records the boundary, identifies obstacles, and automatically prepares future flight paths. Less setup means more time actually getting work done. DJI also focused heavily on efficiency. The redesigned cooling system helps keep the aircraft operating continuously, even during demanding workloads. Fast charging support reduces downtime between flights. And for those who need even longer missions, there's an optional higher capacity battery available. Everything is controlled through a bright 7-inch remote controller paired with DJI's latest video transmission system, giving operators a stable long-range connection while supporting advanced accessories for even greater accuracy in the field. When you put everything together, it's easy to see why the Agras T55 is generating so much attention. It isn't just a crop-spraying drone anymore. It's a multi-purpose farming machine designed to spray, spread, transport, map fields, and help operators work more efficiently while improving safety at the same time. As agriculture continues becoming more automated, drones like the DJI Agras T55 are showing exactly where the industry is headed. So, what do you think? Could this become the new standard for smart farming? Or is there another agricultural drone you'd choose instead? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.